everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of watching the progress bar crawl while downloading files on Google Chrome, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to turbocharge your Chrome download speeds with some simple and effective tweaks. So let's dive right in and get those downloads flying. First things first, let's make sure your Google Chrome is up to date. Now, what you need to do is open Google Chrome, and at the top right corner where we have three dots, click on that, and then we will go to settings. Then we need to click on privacy and security and scroll down until you find an option called security. So click on that, and then we need to go to bottom of it. So here you can secure DNS. DNS determines how to connect to website over a secure connection. So if it is selected with your current service provider, what I would recommend to select this is with custom. And from here you can select Google Public DNS, or you can select Cloudflare 1111. Now you can try both of the things, both of the DNS, and see whichever is better for your according. So for me, both Cloudflare and Google Public DNS works fine, and this will definitely increase the performance of your Google Chrome. Once this is done, you need to close the window. Now what you need to do is open Chrome again, and here type Chrome colon // flags, just like that, and enter it. After doing so, search for parallel downloading. To accelerate download speed of Google Chrome, it should be enabled. So here you can see mine is default, so I would recommend to select it enabled. This will definitely increase the downloading speed of Google Chrome. So once this is done, you have enabled it again, close it and reopen Chrome. And here we need to click on the three dots again and then go to settings, and this time we will go to system. Now here you can see continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. So under system you will find like this, you will find continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. That should be turned off, because even if Google Chrome is not opened, it will continuously use the resources, internet and CPU. So this should be turned off, and use hardware acceleration when available. That should be turned on. So this is the setting you need to do, and with these steps you should see a noticeable increase in your Chrome download speeds. Remember, the internet is a vast space, and sometimes external factors like your ISP speed limit or the server you're downloading from can also affect download speeds. So keep these in mind. And if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.